Controlling your thoughts can be challenging, but practicing mindfulness and cognitive techniques can help. Number 1. Mindfulness meditation. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet meditation. Sit comfortably, focus on your breath, and observe your thoughts as they come and go. Instead of getting caught up in them, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This practice helps develop awareness and detachment from your thoughts. Number 2. Challenge negative thoughts. When negative thoughts arise, pause and examine them. Ask yourself for evidence to support them, consider if they are rational, and explore alternative viewpoints. By challenging negative thoughts, you can replace them with more balanced and constructive ones. Number 3. Cognitive diffusion techniques. Practice seeing your thoughts as separate from yourself. Imagine them as passing clouds in the sky or leaves floating down a stream. This visualization helps create distance and reduces their influence over your emotions and actions. Number 4. Focus on the present moment. Engage fully in activities that require your attention, such as mindful breathing or physical exercise. By staying present, you prevent your mind from wandering into negative or unproductive thoughts, fostering a sense of calm and clarity. These expanded tips provide a bit more detail on each technique while remaining concise and actionable.